Hello there, long time no see. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today is not a Forester vlog. I know a lot of you guys have been asking for more Forester vlogs, but I don't know, there's really nothing to do with the Forester. Maybe besides, I don't know, like coilovers or wheels or some other stuff. I don't know. Right now I'm pretty settled with how the Forester looks. I'm pretty satisfied. I got the front end. I got pretty much all the cross sports body kit. The only thing I'm missing is the spoiler, which is, you know, it's a lot. It's harder to find. But anyway, enough of that. Today is a long overdue mod for the 240. I should have done it a long time ago, but I don't know, I got the wheels before I even do that. That's the first mod for every 240 owners, but I didn't do it. So we're gonna hop in the Forester. We're gonna go get the parts. We're gonna drive all the way to East Bay and get the parts, and I'm excited. Are you excited? I'm excited too. Let's go. Woo! Nothing but stock sound, stock exhaust, baby. It's all about that stock life. No, not really. I hate driving this thing. Hey, but it's my daily though, so I don't care. Alright, so it's warming up the car, and then we'll head to East Bay. Let's go.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I got the parts. Yes. Oh yes. Now I'm gonna go home and install this. I'm so excited. Let's go. So I don't know if you guys can see me, but we're gonna do unboxing. We're gonna unbox the, probably you guys saw it already, but we're gonna unbox the steering wheel that I got, the quick release, and the short hub. So okay, so first off, I have a works bell short hub and a works bell quick release. And for the steering wheel setup, got the Vertex. Yeah. So we're gonna unbox the short hub first, because it's the first thing you install. So the reason why I went with the works bell is because I've had energy before, and they're cool, but you know, I just like the works bell. My friends, or not my friends, but some of my friends have a works bell, so I really like him. And besides, it's JDM, so with some instructions, which I'm not probably gonna use. And here I got the short hub. Hey, it's cool. I mean, probably the only thing I hate about this is this thing, but hey, JDM. So I got the so I got the short hub works bell. It's for S13 non-high kiss. Okay, next is the works bell quick release. So like I said, some of my friends have a works bell, so I really like them, and it's original basically. So if you guys don't know, works bell is the original quick release,
and then energy is they just copied it. So if you guys don't know about it, so works well is the original quick release. Okay, so and it's made in Japan. So get the hardware. Again, special instructions, but here it is. Some hardware. So there, works. It's nice. The cool thing about the works bell is when you here, I'll show you guys. You remove it, right? So if you guys have a energy, when you put in the quick release, it will like bing. But take a listen on this one. Dude, sounds amazing. So you know it's authentic and it's a high quality. And now for the last part of the setup. So I got a Vertex. It's a Vertex Kumadori. It's the, I don't know if you can see it, it's the Kumadori. I don't know why they named it Kumadori. I just like the style because it has like some Japanese lettering. I think it's Japanese. I'm not 100% sure, but pretty sure this is Japanese lettering. And it's like some words back. It says Vertex Lang. So see, even the Vertex now. I speak Tagalog. See, Vertex Lang. Vertex Lang, man. OG, you hear me? Looks pretty solid. It's not as deep dish as the Nardi, because I had Nardi before, and this one's a little bit smaller too. I think it's really perfect for me since I'm a small guy. And yeah. So there's that. So what we're gonna do next is, you guys probably know, we're just gonna install the new steering wheel setup. I'm not gonna get too much detail because it's just a simple install. You know, there's a lot of YouTubers out there that did this, but you know, I'm just gonna show you guys how I replace them, and I'm gonna show you guys my old steering wheel. It's really disgusting. So some of you may know that my steering wheel is the most disgusting shit ever, and it is because I bet you the steering wheel has been here since 1991. So I don't know how many people's hands were on the steering wheel. I don't know how many owners this car had, but it's really disgusting. And look at my ghetto ass horn button. It's really ghetto because I apparently fucking yanked the horn or the airbag, and I forgot that there's like screw from the bottom, and now when I try to put it back, it won't go in because it's broken, obviously. But yeah, so we're getting into that. You can see me. We're just gonna replace the steering wheel. I mean, it's just very simple, you know, before install. So you guys are lucky because you guys get to skip this part. Is a wrap. It's over. Look. Let's fix this. Damn, look at that. Oh my god. The new setup is clean. Clean. Now that I finally got the new steering wheel and the new steering wheel setup, we're gonna do more interior work on the 240, and I'm excited. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, and you know, stay tuned for more content.
Peace out.